Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics SSLC NCERT SSLC Annual Examination June 2020 Part 3 3 mark questions with solutions prepared by N. Parmesh. 25th question. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Answer. Let us assume that root 5 is rational. Root 5 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime. Q is not equal to 0. Cross multiplication. P is equal to root 5q. Squaring on both sides, p square is equal to root 5 whole square is 5 q square. Call this as equation 1, which implies 5 divides p square, hence 5 divides p. Therefore, p is equal to 5k. Squaring on both sides, p square is equal to 25k square. Call this as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, 5q square is equal to 25k square. Throughout divided by 5. Q square is equal to 5k square, which implies 5 divides q square, hence 5 divides q. Therefore, 5 is a common factor of p and q. This contradicts our assumption. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 5 is an irrational number. ORR. Find the HCF of 24 and 40 by using Euclid's division algorithm. Hence, find the LCM of HCF of ordered pair 24, 40 and 20. Answer. A is equal to 40, B is equal to 24. According to Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R, where R greater than or equal to 0 less than B. 40 is equal to 24 into 1 plus 16. 24 is equal to 16 into 1 plus 8. 16 is equal to 8 into 2 plus 0. Therefore, HCF of ordered pair 40, 24 is 8. LCM of HCF of ordered pair 24, 40 and 20. LCM of 8 and 20. 8 is equal to 2 cube. 20 is equal to 4 into 5. That is equal to 2 square into 5. LCM of ordered pair 8, 20 is equal to highest power 2 cube into 5 is equal to 8 into 5 is equal to 40. LCM of ordered pair 8, 20 is equal to 40. 26th question. To save fuel, to avoid air pollution and for good health, two persons A and B ride bicycle for a distance of 12 km to reach their office every day. As the cycling speed of B is 2 km per hour more than that of A, B takes 30 minutes less than that of A to reach the office. Find the time taken by A and B to reach the office. Answer. Let the speed of A be x km per hour. Therefore, time taken by A to reach the office is equal to T1 is equal to distance by speed is equal to distance is 12 divided by speed is x hours. The speed of B is 2 km per hour more than that of A. Therefore, speed of B is equal to x plus 2 km per hour. Time taken by B, that is treated as T2, is equal to 12 divided by x plus 2 hours. Given that T1 minus T2 is equal to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is nothing but 1 by 2 hour. Substituting the value, T1 is nothing but 12 by x minus T2 is nothing but 12 by x plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. By taking LCM x of x plus 2, x get cancelled. 12 of x plus 2 minus 12 into x is equal to 1 by 2. Inside multiplication, 12x plus 24 minus 12x divided by inside multiplication x square plus 2x is equal to 1 by 2. 12x get cancelled. 24 is equal to x square plus 2x is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, x square plus 2x is equal to 24 into 2, 48. X square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. Product is minus 48. Difference is 2. 8 and 6. 8 is positive and 6 is negative. X square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 is equal to 0. By taking x as common, x plus 8 minus 6 as common, x plus 8. That is equal to x plus 8 bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to 6. Positive is the answer. Speed of A is equal to 6 km per hour. Speed of B is equal to x plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 km per hour. Time taken by A is equal to distance by speed is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 2 hours. Time taken by B is equal to distance by speed is equal to 12 by 8 is equal to 1.5 hours. 27th question. If x is equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta and y is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta, then prove that x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. Answer: x is equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta, y is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta. X square, squaring on both sides, x square is equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta the whole square is equal to, by using a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to p square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta plus 2pq tan theta secant theta. Call this as equation 1. Y square is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta the whole square, by using a plus b whole square formula, is equal to p square secant square theta plus q square tan square theta plus 2pq secant theta tan theta. Call this as equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, x square minus y square is equal to, substituting the value, p square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta plus 2pq tan theta secant theta minus p square secant square theta minus q square tan square theta minus 2pq secant theta tan theta plus 2pq tan theta secant theta cancel with minus 2pq tan theta secant theta. X square minus y square is equal to, by taking p square as common, tan square theta minus secant square theta plus q square as common, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to p square of tan square theta minus secant square theta, taking minus as common, minus q square of tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to, taking tan square theta minus secant square theta as common, p square minus q square. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to minus 1. Substitute that value, is equal to p square minus q square, bracket close, into minus 1, inside multiplication, plus q square minus p square. Therefore x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. ORR: prove that cot square of 90 degree minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Answer: LHS: cot square of 90 degree minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. We know that cot of 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Substitute that value, is equal to tan square theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Once again, we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Substitute that value, is equal to tan square theta is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta divided by tan square theta is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta minus 1 as it is, plus cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 by sin square theta divided by secant square theta is nothing but 1 by cos square theta minus cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 by sin square theta is equal to, numerator as it is, sin square theta by cos square theta divided by denominator cos square theta LCM sin square theta minus cos square theta, plus numerator 1 by sin square theta as it is divided by denominator sin square theta cos square theta LCM sin square theta minus cos square theta. Cos square theta get cancelled, sin square theta get cancelled, sin square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta, plus this cos square theta shifted to numerator, cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Once again, taking LCM, is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta is LCM, numerator sin square theta plus numerator cos square theta. Once again, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Substitute that value, 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta, that is equal to RHS. 28th question, find the median of the following data: class interval, frequency 20 to 40 7, 40 to 60 15, 60 to 80 20, 80 to 100 8. Answer: class interval 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequency, corresponding frequency 7, 7, 15, 20, 8. Cumulative frequency, first number 7 as it is, 7 plus 15 22, 22 plus 20 42, 42 plus 8 50. N by 2 is equal to 50 by 2 is equal to 25. 25 is lies in the median class 60 to 80. Therefore, lower limit L is equal to 60, comma CF cumulative frequency is equal to 22. Frequency F is equal to 20. H 40 minus 20 is 20. Substitute that value. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H is equal to 60 plus 25 minus 20 divided by 20 into 20. 20 get cancelled. 60 plus 3 by 20 into 20. 20 get cancelled. 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. Therefore, median is equal to 63. Or find the mode of the following data. Class interval frequency 1 to 3 class interval frequency 6. 3 to 5 class interval frequency 9. 5 to 7 class interval frequency 15, 7 to 9 class interval frequency 9, 9 to 11 class interval frequency 1. Answer: maximum frequency is 15, therefore model class interval is 5 to 7. Therefore L lower limit is equal to 5, comma F0 is equal to 9, F1 is equal to 15, F2 is equal to 9, H is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Substitute that value in the formula. Mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H is equal to 5 plus 15 minus 9 divided by 2 into 15 minus 9 bracket close into 2 is equal to 5 plus 15 minus 9 is 6 divided by 15 2s are 30 minus 18 bracket close into 2 is equal to 5 plus 6 divided by 12 into 2 is equal to 6 2s are 12, 12 get cancelled one time plus 5 as it is. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Mode is equal to 6. More problems related to June 2020 question paper will be uploaded in part 4 video. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.